You're Miss Grab?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. You're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On March 9th, 2025, at approximately 1:08 a.m., an officer observed a vehicle on the 5,000 block of West Road, Harris County, Texas, speeding, going 50 miles per hour in a 40-mile-per-hour zone. This was confirmed by Dr. Rear. The officer followed the vehicle and observed the vehicle to fail to maintain a single lane several times. A traffic stop was initiated. The vehicle did not initially stop. The officer initiated sirens, at which point the defendant's vehicle increased in speed and continued to fail to maintain a single lane and failed to signal lane changes to get around another vehicle as the officer was in pursuit. The vehicle finally came to a stop. The officer made contact with the defendant, the driver, and sole occupant of the vehicle, and observed the defendant to have red, bloodshot eyes, thick, slurred speech, and the strong odor of an alcoholic beverage upon her breath. The defendant admitted to coming from a wine bar and said she had 2 glasses of wine. SFSTs were conducted. 6 out of 6 clues observed on the HGN, 5 out of 8 clues observed on the walk and turn, 3 out of 4 clues observed on the one-leg stand. The DIC was read, and the defendant consented to a breath test. The results were .100 and .101.
You said she was going 50 speeding or 40?
58 miles per hour and 40 miles per hour.
Got it. Okay. All right. Ms. Grab, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Sure.
You have a lawyer. He will take care of you. Because you do, I will waive your appearance. Just stay in touch with him and he'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. For now, we'll have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. Oh, does she have a license?
Yes.
No prior DWIs?
No prior DWIs.
Okay, we'll have you sign a reset, Victoria. You're not allowed to drive unless you have valid liability insurance as well. If you don't have car insurance, do not drive. That is a condition of your bond as well. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll have you sign a reset, Victoria. You'll get with police of your bond conditions and you're free to go.
Thank you.
Take care.
John C. Joseph, it's my understanding that you want to talk to him and see why he didn't appear in court on his last court date.
So this is basically an arraignment.
Yes, sir. I understand that we were going to do it as an arraignment.
He's been AWOL. It's now 400 days, 350 days old. Mr. Joseph, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with burglary of a motor vehicle. You're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. Your cases are now 352 days old.
Driving under the influence. The judge doesn't negotiate, sets clear rules and consequences.
Have offers on these cases?
No, sir, we're still waiting for the security video.
We do have an offer, but yes, we are waiting on the security
I
video.
need you to get on it
Absolutely.
like yesterday.
Yes.
I'm ready to set this case for trial. Way too much drama, and I'm not gonna just.
Yes.
Mr. Joseph, I'm now going to put an ankle monitor so I know where you are at all times. If I find that you have one on now, you take off on me again, I'm gonna make your bonds extremely high. Do you understand? I will
Yes,
give
sir.
you a big flight risk and the bonds will go very high. At some point, someone's gonna stop ponying up all this money. You're just giving free money to bonding companies every time you take off, man. That's all you do. On your burglary case, you're not to have any contact with the complaining witness in these cases. You're not to be in possession of weapons.
Did you say you already have something going
Yeah.
from, is it from Harris County?
Mm-hmm. I turned myself in the other day and they ain't doing nothing better.
Don't say anything. I don't want you to say something. Perhaps the magistrate put it on.
I don't see any magistrate conditions, but
He's got 2 cases. Look at the other one, please.
neither of them were supervising an ankle monitor work. We had one on him back in April of last year, but we haven't been supervising it since June due to the warrant.
All right, I want to go back to the original bond conditions that had a curfew with the monitor on now. No alcohol, no dope. What do you do with yourself these days, Mr. Johnson? Mr. Joseph?
I just started looking for a job. No, sir. I just started looking for one, filling the application.
I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks. I want to see what you have done to get a job. Did you graduate from high school?
No, sir.
Then that's what we're going to also work on as well. I want to see what you've done to start working on your GED as well. I'm giving you 2 weeks. If you've not done anything, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Mr. D, we'll give you a couple weeks, but I want him back in 2 weeks here to see what we've done to either get a job or get his GED.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if nothing, then it doesn't go well.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hi, Vic. What's up? What's new, man? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. So,
You mean
I'm gonna do a PSI on it rather than fully upstairs, so it's made my Friday a lot better.
scary though?
It is.
No, let me tell you, I did a PSI once where I was basically going to get probation
Yeah.
and then got smacked with 25.
And it is enhancement. I'm on. And it's working and it's got a lot of support. And it's a really silly case. It's a silly case. It's evading arrest, but it's,
I trust you.
yeah.
You know, you're the best, but PSI, it's just,
There's always risk there, but the state was at 15, so.
yeah.
Daniel Melgar, this is my fault, Judge. PTI packet, it was yesterday
Okay.
to Abigail and,
Well, not to Judge Geis, right?
yes.
Okay.
I think
Everything's submitted?
Everything's submitted, all the discovery is turned over. It's 0.16, so it's just a little bit above the cutoff. I think he
Why? So were you denied?
You're told to submit a mitigation packet, yeah.
Okay, so it wasn't a denial and then you appealed,
Correct, correct.
right? They just submitted a mitigation package.
Resubmit mitigation
Got
packet.
it. All right, we'll give you a week.
Sounds good, Judge.
Hopefully we can have a decision within a week.
I hope
If no
so.
decision is made, I will waive the appearance. We'll give,
Skip court or break conditions again, and your bond skyrockets no excuses tolerated.
so we can send it for a T-Rest.
Okay,
Okay?
sounds good.
Yes.
And then we'll just come back. Hopefully they got it within a week to make the decision or not.
Sir,
Yeah.
it's good.
Okay.
Judge, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Good luck, Vic.
Thank you, sir.
Are you on probation or parole at this time?
No.
You were on parole in 22. Is that over now? Okay. So I don't show any holds on you now. I don't see any. Do you guys? You guys? Yeah, we don't see any holds. But if you continue with what this has happened and this keeps happening, the sentences just get longer, longer, and longer. All of it self-control, Mr. Kaufman. You're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 15 days in jail with credit for the 7 days that you've done. You need to understand that this is going to go on your record. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. Do you understand? So Lori, the trespass is being dismissed.
Are y'all dismissing the trespass?
Believe so, yes, Your Honor.
We thought they were, we hold this trespass.
There is a trespass, right?
Here's a trespass. Was there plea paperwork for the trespass?
So they're going to dismiss the other case that you got. But like I said, you're still facing a minimum of 90 days in the future. So you pick up another case, it's just going to be a long time. Do you understand? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. But if you want something, if you need something, we have services for you. If you need a place to sleep, you need food to eat, we got you. All you got to do is ask. But this, you're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization, you give up the right to appeal, Mr. Kaufman. So once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. You can never take it off. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense, sir? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'll sentence you to it. Good luck, sir. Thanks a lot.